Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add textures to your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So just search for texture overlays and add it to your video or picture. I'm just going to create a compound clip so I can add it on top of everything else. So add it on top of your video and your text or stickers, and then I'm just going to scale it to fit the whole thing, which it did that already. Go to blend mode and choose from these settings. I think the best is screen and brighten if your texture is in a dark color, as you can see, but if your texture is in another color, you can definitely choose something else. I'm going to try to use this one, and if you screen and brighten, it's going to be too bright for it, so maybe choose a different one if your texture is in a lighter color. Just sort of play around with it. As you can see, this one suits it the best, linear burn. But again, if you chose this one, you have to choose another setting for the blend mode. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!